We looked at the benefits that are achieved by those folks who are implementing Lean, and it's really astounding. What you'll see here is people at this high level of achievement and a medium level of achievement. So they're still seriously getting, this is the percentage of those players that are actually getting these kinds of benefits. And we go into a fair amount of detail about project profitability, impact on profit margins, and these green areas are where people agree that they're actually getting lift in those areas from having moved into Lean practices. And specifically the impact on profit because of schedule increases, schedule improvements, impact on being more successful in bidding, impact on competitiveness. I mean, these benefits are really compelling. But unfortunately, when you look at the entire industry here and you ask them, are you familiar with it? Are you not familiar with it? Have you implemented it? It really isn't being taken up very aggressively. A little bit better in the West than in other parts of the country, but still, it's very much emerging, even though the benefits are very tangible and very powerful. And this is the graph that really struck me the most. I mean, in spite of this graph here on the upper right that all of us have seen a million times about the productivity of the rest of industry versus the lagging productivity of construction, in spite of that, when we asked the full industry here, do you believe that our industry today is inefficient or highly inefficient? You're seeing those who have actually implemented Lean practices, they get that. They understand that our industry is really inefficient and needs a lot of work. Whereas you go down here and you say, these are the folks who said that, no, it's fine. We have a highly efficient or an efficient industry. There are no problems here. And you can see almost most of those are the folks who actually aren't even familiar, never even heard of Lean. And so I look at that as you've got almost half the industry out there in super denial about the facts of our industry. And so we're really trying to push much better awareness about Lean practices and the benefits of them. And so, as you would not be surprised to see, we put a fair amount of time in this report into looking at why it is that Lean hasn't taken over as much as it should have, and it's really about a lack of knowledge, support across the team. It's too complex, employee resistance, lack of understanding. So really an awful lot of this is educational, and that's part of why we do these reports and we make them free, is to try and get the information out.